Crypto never seems to stop going down. Many have disappeared and others continue to endure the bear market, as is the case for our protagonist today, ADA Crypto such as Cardano. Will the currency manage to survive the bear market? And what is the price projection and the future of the currency? Yo, what's good? How is everybody doing? Welcome back once again to your favorite digital investment channel. This time, I'll review in depth the whole cryptocurrency landscape and above all, the future of ADA coins. While it is true that the bear market is far from over, there's a lot of interesting information that can help us better visualize the outlook. I'll give you a preview. Did you know that ADA cryptos are consolidating their positions as investors' favorites? Before we start though, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Now, like I said before, let's get to the video. So what is exactly a bear market? A bear market is generally defined as 20% or more drops in price from recent highs. Although in the case of Bitcoin, it's already down 70% in value from its November 2021 peak. In the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, a bear market is often associated with a high degree of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It can lead to washout conditions where weak hands are forced to sell at any price, leading to more panic selling and price drops. A bear market can also be caused by change in sentiment among key stakeholders, such as developers, investors, or regulators. For example, if a major developer announces they're abandoning a particular project, that could trigger a sell-off among holders of that cryptocurrency. Similarly, if regulators crack down on exchanges or initial coin offerings, that can also lead to a bear market. A bear market is a period of sustained price declines that can test the results of even the staunchest cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Now then, why has Cardano remained among the strongest and largest capitalized cryptos? The answer is tied to the value investors see in the Cardano project. But before I continue, do you know what Cardano is all about? Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project. Cardano is also the name of the company that created the project. The company is based in Japan, but the project is open source and distributed globally. Cardano is based on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol called Ouroboros, and the coin is called ADA. The project aims to create a cryptocurrency that is more sustainable and also user-friendly than other projects such as Bitcoin. Cardano claims to be the first blockchain platform based on scientific philosophy and peer-reviewed research. The team behind Cardano includes researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs from around the world. On the technical side, a recent tweet from crypto trader DevCharts highlighted that ADA and Flow were the two cryptocurrencies closest to major support levels. In addition, he noted that these large cap altcoins have not really moved away from these long-term supports. For Cardano, the analyst said that there was some FUD in the market around Cardano that held back development. This FUD has further hindered the price recovery. Social metrics for Cardano appeared barren, with social volumes making a downward slope. Weighted social sentiment remained negative and hovered near a 4-month low. Negative weighted sentiment showed low social anticipation around the currency, hence less demand. Cardano was trading near the 0.318 cent mark, up only 1.06% on the day. However though, there didn't seem to be a big push from the bulls that could lift the price to 35 cents. Although the crypto winter has generally affected the crypto world, there is very good news for Cardano, which it seems promises to evolve the meaning of crypto and offers users a unique experience. So what is Voltaire, and why does it bring a new era for Cardano? See, cryptocurrencies continue to evolve despite the drawbacks and drops in value. Cardano investors are looking forward to the new era called Voltaire, which will be responsible for closing 5 eras of altcoins according to Sabrina Martins Vera at You Today. Cardano was launched in 2017 to be a blockchain that would be reached out to people who did not have access to the traditional financial systems. Another important purpose of the altcoin's development was to address the strategic challenges facing blockchain technology: scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. To this end, the cryptocurrency became one of the most prominent in the world of smart contracts. However, until it reached the era where its network will be compatible with decentralized contracts, the altcoin went through a few phases. This is because Cardano has a research-based operating model. To keep everything running smoothly in the development of cryptocurrencies, altcoin deliveries have been divided into 5 eras. Do you know what these eras are? If not, here's a bit of history for you. What were the phases of Cardano? It all started with the Byron era, the phase when the altcoin was launched and investors were able to buy and sell ADA. In addition to that, the Daoist and Yuri wallets were built. Shortly after the first era came, the phase that would be responsible for working on the decentralization of Cardano was the Shelley era. In the previous phase, the ADA network was federated, i.e. centrally and controlled by altcoin team. However, Shelley was developed to change the scenario and have the Cardano node managed by the community by making use of the Ethereum's competitor Ethereum's network participation. Cardano developers focused heavily on one of the biggest phases, the Goguen era. This wait was longed and longed for, and it wasn't until 2021 that through one of the Goggen's hard forks, crypto smart contracts finally arrived. With smart contracts implemented, the altcoin began to develop the scalability of its network during the Baosho era. After all, for DeFi and NFT to be attractive on Cardano, it was necessary to offer a scalable network. With all these benefits delivered, Cardano enters its prime, reaching the last phase. What is the Voltaire era? Although it is the last era of Cardano, the altcoin has been working on it for some time. The altcoin's development company, IOG, worked on the cryptocurrency phases in parallel, just after the arrival of Byron and Shelley. Voltaire will arrive with the intention of making the cryptocurrency network self-sustaining through a voting and treasury system. As such, it has already begun to take the first steps with the launch of Catalyst, a decentralized governance project. With the latest era, network participants will be able to influence the future of development of the altcoin with their shares and voting rights. In addition, users will have the opportunity to make suggestions for software updates, technical, and financial improvements to the project. The treasure from the later era will be available to fund some community-improved Cardano improvement proposals. CIPs are responsible for describing standards, process, or providing guidelines or general information to the Cardano community. This being the case, the altcoin investors may see that Cardano should be more decentralized, evolving the process started in the Shelley phase. So here's a question for you. Will this be the time to continue investing in cryptocurrency and Cardano? We don't know. What we do know is that the future looks very good for this altcoin and its new democracy that they are implementing within their ecosystem. This allows trust in the currency to grow, and it's no secret to anyone that in financial markets, trust, it equals money. And just like that, folks, the video is a wrap. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe, of course, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget to leave your like and opinion about the new era of Cardano or ADA in the comments. But until next time, I'll see you guys and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.